Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso 1 Monoface in Burgundy, reference Q3288560. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with just a little history. Now the JLC or Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso came out a long time ago, around 1930, actually 1931 to be exact, which actually makes it almost 100 years old. So it even precedes, it's one of the oldest styles of watches out there. It precedes the Datejust, which was 1945, the Royal Oak, which was 1972, the Nautilus, 1976, and a lot of other watches actually. So yeah, it's been around for quite some time. And this style of case, which is rectangular, also known as a tonneau shaped, it's stood the test of time. That's for sure. Now they designed it initially for polo players, polo, not the water polo, but the people playing polo on horseback, that they wanted a watch that would not shatter or get hit when it was, like, I guess, hit by during the sport. So they decided to make this watch so that it could flip to the other side, so that the face could be turned so that it would only hit the back and the glass wouldn't shatter. Okay, so that was the birth of the JLC. Or of the Reverso, sorry. Okay, now with that said, let's start talking about this one. Now the Reverso since then has gone on to have so many different variations, tons of variations, hundreds, maybe even more. And this is the ladies' version of it, and it's a discontinued model as of 25 at least. And but there's still some special things to say about it. Now, first thing I can say is that the retail price is, I think, somewhere in the 8,000 or a little bit more than that, but you can buy it at jazztime.com for in the sevens. So yeah, it would actually, I think it's a 7 and change or something like that, but it's discontinued, but we can still get it for you. All right, now let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. Now it's a smaller case probably for ladies, I would think, actually, because the size, the dimension going from top to bottom, the length is 40 millimeters. Now that's not particularly big, but it's not particularly small either. But going left to right, it is quite small, 20 millimeters. That's from 9 to 3, so that's quite small. So I would definitely say this one's for ladies, okay? Now thickness is only going to be 8 millimeters, and they were able to accomplish it by using a quartz movement, which I'll talk about in a little bit. But yeah, it's quite thin, and they call this the monoface. It's not a dual face. That means you can't turn it over and there's another face on the other side. It's monoface. So you turn it over while you're playing polo or whatever you're doing, and it doesn't, the glass won't shatter. It actually kind of even doubles as a bracelet, you could see. All right, so that's kind of cool. Now let's start looking at the. Actually, let's start talking about the not the dial, but the bezel. This one doesn't even have a real bezel, but it has 2 rows of diamonds. And they do put the diamonds in kind of an interesting spot. Because this watch can turn, I guess they decided not to put it in the vertical way, they put it in a horizontal way. And it has 2 rows of brilliant cut diamonds set there. And I think it's a little added touch to just make the watch look ever so elegant. And they used something here that they also did not really do in many other JLCs on the dial, which is they used Arabic numbers. They don't usually use or at least they don't use numbers that look like this. I think it's pretty interesting. If you look at, they almost look like they're handwritten numbers. It's a kind of an old school way to do it, but it looks unique. They usually do index dials or like a baton dial or like, just sticks for the numerals. But yeah, they decided to do these Arabic numbers here, and I think it looks pretty unique. And also the color. This burgundy color is also quite a interesting color too. All right, so yeah, that is the dial. And one of the things that they often do is they use they're what's called dolphin hands. They kind of just look like an arrow, and it's a signature JLC look to it. It reminds you of this old school, like Art Deco style. Okay, that's the dial, and yeah, let's move on here to the strap. The strap is a matching burgundy crocodile strap, which is quite beautiful. All right, and then the movement here it's going to be a quartz movement, and interestingly, even though it's a quartz movement, it still has jewels, 4 jewels to be exact, and it has 43 components. So it's it's still something. All right, okay. And plus, quartz ones you don't have to service, so they'll last much longer, and it reduces the price of the watch, so you don't have to pay so much for it. Okay, time to try this watch on. Well, now look, this is a lady's watch. I'm a man, so I'm not going to be able to try it. But just to give you an idea, I think this watch would be a great one for women who like to have this Reverso style watch, but don't want to pay big tons of money, and would like to have a unique color and with some diamonds. So it achieves a lot of that for a price tag that's under $8,000, and you can only get it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.